Hey everyone, I'm Bernice from Quiq Labs, and I'll be leading the Public Relations and Marketing course here at Hero Academy. This course is designed to help you understand how to build a brand, communicate effectively with audiences, and create impactful marketing strategies. Whether you're new to PR and marketing or have some experience, we're going to make this fun, hands-on, and engaging. In this course, you'll learn an introduction to public relations and marketing, branding and messaging, media relations and press releases, social media marketing, marketing strategies, and campaigns. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to develop strategic marketing plans, engage with media, and build strong brand presence. I'm excited to get started with you all. Let's make it a great experience.